Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the 7 continents of the world. What are continents? Continents are massive land masses that are found on Earth. So we are going to name and give a sign for each of the continents and then tell us one or two things about each continent. Let's get into the video. Asia is the first continent. It is the largest and it has a population of about 4 billion people. 4 billion people. Asia has 48 countries. Africa is the second largest continent. Africa has 54 countries. Africa has a river called Nile, which is the longest in the whole world. Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert and it is found in Africa. North America. This has two signs. The first one I've already shown you. The second one is this. North America. This is the third largest continent and it has 23 countries. Mexico, which is found in North America, has the largest population. South America has two signs. The one that I've already given you and the second one is this. South America. South America has 12 countries and USA among the 12 is the richest country in South America. Angels Falls is the world's highest fall. Amazon is the largest river and it's also found in South America. Atacama Desert is the driest place on earth. It is also found in South America. Continent number 5 is Antarctica. Antarctica is ice covered. It is the windiest, it is the driest, and least populated among all the continents. Europe is the third most populated continent. It has 50 countries. It has Vatican City, which is the smallest country in the whole world. The last continent is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Australia's most well-known animals are kangaroos and koalas. And the 7 continents are tap on the round button to subscribe to my channel, and you can watch other videos I have put in the screen. See you in the next video. Bye.